In criminal law, a person who's found to be legally insane at the time of committing a crime generally can't be held criminally responsible for that crime. But what tests should a court use to determine whether a person is legally insane? The United States Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit considered this question in the 1954 case, Durham v. United States. Monte Durham was a mentally ill 26-year-old living in Washington, D.C. From the mid-1940s until the early 1950s, Durham committed numerous crimes and kept getting into legal trouble. He was in and out of jail, thrice admitted and discharged from a psychiatric hospital, and diagnosed with psychopathic personality. After being released from the psychiatric hospital for a third time in July of 1951, Durham was arrested and indicted in federal district court in D.C. with housebreaking. At a bench trial, Durham asserted an insanity defense. After assessing Durham's mental state, a medical expert testified that he was of unsound mind at the time of committing the crime. On redirect, the expert was asked whether, at the time of the offense, Durham had known right from wrong. The expert responded that most mentally ill persons can tell right from wrong, but that this isn't determinative of whether Durham's mental illness affected his behavior. The district court judge then asked the expert if his answer was that he was unable to form an opinion on whether Durham knew right from wrong, to which the expert agreed. The court then rejected Durham's insanity defense, concluding that there wasn't sufficient evidence to overcome the usual presumption of sanity. Following trial, the court found Durham guilty. Durham appealed to the United States Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit.